If you're looking for something unique for your wardrobe, then the Korean concept pole system is exactly what you're looking for. The Korean concept pole system can be fully personalized and customized to your specific needs. For example, if you tell us, I need a garnishry box, we have you covered. If you need a clothing basket for all your laundry and socks, we have you covered. And even if you need a trouser rack to hang either your pants or your scarves, then we have you covered for that as well. One of the most convenient things about this modular system is that it can be fully shifted based on your needs. For example, if you want to convert it to a display shelf from a wardrobe, maybe a few months or years down the line, fully possible and easy to do. Even if you want to take it with you when you're moving, that is also perfectly convenient and simple to do. Choosing this type of modular system is also the most sustainable decision that you can make due to its aluminum materials, which are both rust resistant and long lasting. At the same time, its ability to be reconfigured also contributes to a significantly longer lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Make the change now.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.